Welcome to the introduction of Jeep Patriot key fob battery replacement. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2007-2017 Jeep Patriot key fob. Replacing the battery restores remote functions like locking and unlocking doors and activating the panic button. This DIY task is straightforward and saves you money compared to dealership service. Throughout this video, you'll see the components and steps involved in this simple repair. You'll need a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery for the Jeep Patriot key fob. This battery provides 3 volts with a 220 mAh capacity and typically lasts between 1 to 3 years depending on usage. For tools, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver to help access any screws in the key fob housing. A plastic prying tool is recommended to open the key fob without damaging the plastic housing. These are part of repair tool sets and help avoid scratches. Magnetic screwdrivers are particularly helpful for accessing small screws in the key fob, as they prevent screws from getting lost during the process. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool into the seam of the key fob. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the plastic housing. Some models, especially 2007 to 2010, may have a glued housing, requiring extra care to avoid damage. Work your way around the entire seam until the fob pops open. Once the key fob is open, you'll immediately see the CR2032 battery positioned inside. This is the power source that needs replacement. Before removing it, note the battery's polarity. The positive side should be facing up in the holder. This ensures correct electrical connection. To remove the old battery, use your finger or a small tool to gently pry it out of the holder. Be careful not to damage the contacts or housing. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the holder, making sure the positive side faces up. Press it down firmly to ensure it's securely seated and makes good contact. Begin by aligning the two halves of the key fob. Snap them back together firmly, ensuring the clips or screws engage properly. Inspect the fob to make sure it's securely closed with no visible gaps. Gently press around the edges to confirm the halves are properly aligned and locked. Now test the fob by standing near your Jeep Patriot. Press the lock button to secure the doors, the unlock button to open them, and the panic button to activate the alarm. The vehicle should respond immediately to each command. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first double-check the battery polarity. The positive side should face up in the battery compartment. Make sure you're using a new, fully charged CR2032 battery. Test it with a multimeter to verify it reads approximately 3 volts before installation. Consider using a battery tester app on your smartphone to easily confirm the battery voltage before putting it in the fob. If the fob still doesn't work after these checks, older Jeep Patriot models may need reprogramming at the dealership, which typically costs between $50 and $100. Avoid using cheap, generic batteries, as they may leak and damage the fob. Low-quality batteries can corrode the internal circuit board, causing permanent failure. Always test the fob after replacement to rule out module failures. Even with a new battery, electronic issues can persist. Stand near your Jeep Patriot and press lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm operation. If you encounter water damage, dry the fob thoroughly and consider applying silicone sealant for protection. Use a hairdryer on low heat or desiccant packets to remove moisture. Then seal the battery compartment with eco-friendly silicone to prevent future exposure. Be careful not to drop screws during the process. Small screws can be easily lost. Work on a clean, well-lit surface and consider using a magnetic screwdriver to hold them securely. Looking ahead, key fobs are evolving with rechargeable batteries like the ML2032, offering an eco-friendly alternative to disposable cells that reduces waste and long-term costs. Smartphone-based keyless entry systems are emerging, with apps potentially replacing physical fobs entirely. These systems often include integrated diagnostics for monitoring vehicle health. Newer Jeep models feature Bluetooth-enabled fobs with app control, pointing toward a future where traditional key fobs may become obsolete. This evolution includes trends toward biometric access and fully digital systems. However, for older vehicles like the Jeep Patriot, DIY battery replacement continues to be a cost-effective solution in the near term, allowing you to maintain functionality without advanced technology.